The boys are back. The boys are back in town. The boys are back in town. So all three of us are back in town. We're here in Simi Valley, getting ready to
be productive,
entertain you guys. I think we've been trying to. Doing a really shitty job.
Dude, Saturday vlog days suck.
Hey, don't you guys just got here way too fucking.
This is what happens every Saturday.
It's not my fault. But
dude, every Saturday we try to vlog
pretty soon.
And we fucking.
So, I've been working for FedEx recently.
Yeah, Wes has a real job and he's making us vlog on Saturdays.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, hey, but just so you guys
and
know,
he has a real job too.
As soon as Wes gets a real job and vlog days have to be Saturday, dude, they move heaven and earth to get it done. But I'm like, dude, I'm getting a real job. Can we move it to Saturday? They're like, who the fuck are you?
Dude, that's because he's a star. You're just an extra.
Well,
I do shit like this.
All right, can you do that?
I don't know what you just did, but
No.
But
What was that?
but
What's in the box, dude?
Christmas gift.
Frosted Flakes, nigga, damn.
What's in here?
Yeah. What's in here? Do I have to open it?
That's not.
Oh my god, who's that for?
You.
I don't.
No, what about Max?
What about Max?
Oh, no way. Okay, that's fine. Oh,
that one's
God.
Max.
that's hilarious.
I don't like you.
Merry Christmas.
I got a bunch of coffee in my belly. I'm supposed to drink this thing.
Why do I feel like that was twist off?
Oh, it probably was.
Twist off.
I tried, it was kind of hard.
Hell yeah. Thanks, Josh, for coming back into our lives. You big pile of shit.
You guys are lucky I didn't get the big ones.
You better do it.
Why
you
you
better do it, you asshole. You better do it. No, do it, dude. Do it. Do it. What is that, dude? That's what I do to your mom's butthole.
Oh, it's mom's now?
Oh,
Dang, in a couple months I've been.
I'm getting PG. What?
Yes,
You gonna put one down?
Look, okay, ready? Who's gonna finish first?
Josh is still gonna win. He's a fucking master at this shit. Woo! Damn, dude.
I almost threw up.
I did throw up. I threw up out my ass. All right, so what we have in store for you guys today
I don't like it.
is Max is gonna go ahead. He's gonna completely finish his truck. I'm gonna go ahead. Probably gonna not do anything to my car. Josh brought his car for today. So Josh already brought his car. This is a new car. I don't know if you guys have seen this unless you follow him on Instagram. But his BMW was actually so shitty that it was so unreliable as a daily driver, and his girlfriend actually told him that she was going to dump him if he kept driving that man purse of a car. So he went ahead and got this one because it has a cooler looking style to it. I think you get about 2 more pussy points with this. It does have a big old run right there. Goddamn, didn't notice that before. That's a big old run somebody put in that paint. It's got some pretty shitty ass wheels, but you know, it's gonna be pretty fast, I think. And you know, for Josh, it's pretty good.
Alright, I don't want to do anything anymore.
The shop's a little different now. We actually have some stairs built in here. I cut these out on my plasma last week, and they work pretty. There, you can't look through the camera lens.
They're pretty big steps. They had to be taller than normal steps.
Damn, that's all right. I mean, you get a good old workout. So they.
Oh my God. Dude, you're already fucked up enough.
All right, so check these out. So these are pretty cool, right? These are, damn. These are pretty wild looking, huh?
I know you haven't seen us in a couple weeks, but we did film some stuff. We just didn't put out a video. So I guess we're just gonna show you that shit right now, and then we'll bring you back.
Hello, welcome back to another episode of Tech Tips with Wes. I'm your host. Today, we got an overdrive issue, and we're gonna go ahead and see. Welcome back to another episode of Tech Tips with Wes. I'm your host. Today we got a big issue of not going into overdrive with my 2006 GMC 3500 Savannah. So it's pretty well known that with these 2006 workhorse vehicles, when the paint starts to fall off like this, the cylinder heads actually fall off too. Let's go ahead and see if that was the case.
Yep, just as I suspected. Its heads fell off.
So here we got a set of brand new casted 317 heads, which of course came off a 1917 Toyota Supra. We actually want to make less power with this truck because we don't want to run any of that super duper high performance Chevrolet stuff. So this is the old head gasket that came off of the truck, and this is a new one that we bought just in case this one wasn't any good. But it appears that it's just fine, and we're going to go ahead and reuse it. That is better.
So obviously we're bringing you back from all the shit we filmed that we didn't put out. While you guys watched that.
I wasn't there.
Yeah, Josh wasn't there. While you guys watched that, we've moved everything upstairs. Now we just have to discuss what's for lunch.
I think we're going to Baja.
That's what you guys want.
We're going to Baja Frisch. We have Frisch avocados.
What's an avocado?
Avocado.
Oh.
We have an avocado for the $3.99.
What? What did you say? What is
avocados for $3.99.
Why?
So on my agenda for today is go eat Baja.
We have to make mock-up wheels out of plywood on the CNC. That way we can get the frame aligned just right, and then weld it in. What do you have to do today?
I'm just here to help you guys.
No, you're doing stuff to your car, aren't you?
I was just gonna pull some interior panels out. That's it. And pillars. Hey, all my hockey pucks. All my hockey pucks.
We're back!
What are we gonna do?
What are we gonna do?
Wes, what are we gonna do?
Reunited and it feels so good.
Alright, so let's get the Silverado out from underneath it so you can drop your fucking piece of shit down to earth.
So I'm gonna tighten up some of these bolts and shit, and then we're gonna make some mock-up wooden wheels and see how crooked this frame really is.
How big is this?
Thread pitch is different up there. Here, there's the paint that's stopping it. How big is this?
Yeah, I need to know how big. No, this. I need the hub.
Oh, about the same girthness of my penis. It's about 2 inches, I would say.
You gonna measure it, or?
Yeah, let me get a measuring tape.
And then we'll cut your blanks while you tighten all that up.
I'd say about 3 inches.
3 inches?
Yeah, 3 inches is cool.
Look at your wheels, bro.
Well, if you stare at the screen too long, the black line starts to go away.
What?
You see that?
No. Some people have Steelies. You got Woodies.
Fuck yeah, I got a Woody just looking at that thing. Check this Woody out.
I can't believe anybody has sex with you, dude.
Me either.
Oh, actually, nobody does.
No, it depends on how much money I got that week.
Alright, go finish your shit so we can do this. Alright, so here is Wes's wheel that he thinks we're cutting out for him. But Wes threw a little hissy fit last night. So we're gonna make him a new design like this. And see how he likes it. What do you think? You think he's gonna like it, dude?
I think he's gonna love it. I think he's gonna try to put his dick in it and compare sizes.
Or shove it up his ass. You don't really know.
As I said before, this is a G-body chassis that we're welding up in here. I think we've already talked about this, but I went ahead and got me some brand new uppers and lower control arms from QA1. Shout out to QA1. I actually hit you guys up to get some type of promotion or like a sponsor. Yeah, sponsorship, and you actually just laughed, and then I think the call either dropped or maybe you guys lost cell phone service, I'm not sure. But anyway, they make some badass shit. I got some brand new upper and lower QA1, so I still got to get the fucking coilovers that go in the middle, but they give you these brackets, which are pretty badass, that bolt in the bottom, and then your shock will mount right through here. Oh, nice. Right in the bottom right there. Brand new rotors. I got the calipers up front. These are actually 2-inch drop spindles. So yeah. And what Max and Josh are doing right now is they're making up a file to cut out on the wood. I don't know what that thing's called. Wood plasma table. We're gonna cut out some mock-up wheels. Put these joints on there. Can you fit it all in your mouth? That's for later, asshole! Oh, my dick fell off!
See it, dude.
You know what? I couldn't think of a more appropriate style of wheel for my car.
Mm-hmm. Grab it.
Grab it. I'm gonna grab all these dicks.
Dude, it actually looks cool.
Voila.
Dude, those are huge.
Yeah. That's what size the tires are.
I know.
It looks like a big wheel, but that's the representation of the tire size. And let me lower it down a little bit. Woo! Bang it, just like Josh does to his lady. Oh yeah.
Yep, that's it.
Woo! Damn, they look good! Look at that! You wish you could fucking afford a set of wheels like this. See, we decided to actually go back in time to the 1916s, 1915 era where they had wooden wheels.
With dicks on them.
With dicks on them. Hell yeah, dude. Thanks.
Yeah, this one's in the center.
You're gonna tuck that much tire?
All right, Joshua's got to go, so we're gonna go ahead and romp on his car real quick just to show you guys what this thing's got.
I just hope it starts.
Yeah, me too. I don't have my seatbelt on.
Put it on.
Oh, goddamn, is it spinning? Goddamn, my seatbelt won't go on. What the fuck? Actually, this thing is actually pretty fucking fast, dude. And you're gonna pump another, E85, pump another what?
10 PSI at least.
What? On top of what you're already putting out? Woo! What are you at right now, 12?
16.
Oh my god. What a fucking dick. Alright, man.
Let's do a little flyby.
Alright.
All right, guys. So one of the reasons we made these wheel blanks is we were pulling measurements and couldn't tell if the center of the wheel was the right on both sides, because it seemed pretty far off, and we couldn't tell if the frame was tweaked or if the fucking Corvair's tweaked or if it's just supposed to be like that, like some weird ass factory bullshit. So we made the blanks and we put it in, and it's about 2 inches off. One wheel was about 2 inches further back than the other, which we were able to get rid of by tweaking the frame a little bit with some tie-down straps. But then what we really realized is that one side, see the spindle sits in of the fender about 3 or 4 inches. On the other side, it pokes.
It's really funny.
So we'd have to either have like different offset wheels on each side, or now we just gotta figure out what to do. Maybe we just send those QA1s and get a Mustang 2 front end.
QA1, you all fucked me.
Every time we think we're gonna make any kind of progress on this, we don't.
Well, we made 2 steps forward to take 5 steps back.
Yeah. Somebody had to go buy some cheap ass bent ass frame, dude.
It was an honest mistake. This shit ain't gonna work. So I'm gonna get a whole new front end. What do you think?
Yep.
Probably gonna go ahead and get a front end from like a PT Cruiser. Maybe a Toyota Celica. That would fit better than this fucking thing. But I gotta go to work now. Fuck you, FedEx. We'll see you next time.
See you next time, dude.
Peace, love.